Hakko FX1003 Micro Tweezers. The Hakko FX1003 induction heating micro tweezers are designed specifically for small SMD components as small as 0201. The T38 tips offer 2 temperature ranges and 7 shapes for maximum performance with the induction heating technology. The tweezers are equipped with 4 types of alignment adjustments: vertical, horizontal, rotation, and length, allowing for precise handling. The handpiece is ergonomically designed for comfort and safety, being safe. The holder can store spare tips, making it easy and convenient to switch between them. The handpiece also activates the FX100 sleep mode while resting in the holder, conserving energy and extending to life. OEMTOOLS Dual Piston Press. The OEMTOOLS Dual Piston Press is an essential tool for automotive repair. It is used for pressing in single and dual piston brake calipers, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles including cars, light trucks, and heavy trucks. The tool has a rugged design, ensuring a longer and stronger lifespan, so you can rely on it for years to come. Additionally, the single-piece operation eliminates the need for nuts and bolts to assemble and disassemble brakes, making it a convenient and efficient tool for any mechanic. ClimaData Stick. The ClimaData Stick is a precise digital hygrometer that accurately measures and stores the ambient temperature and relative humidity. It provides real-time measurement and the ability to take long-term readings, which are saved with the date and time. The data can be easily transferred to a PC via USB and viewed as a list or bar graph using the supplied software. The device also comes with a convenient wall bracket for easy attachment, making it a versatile tool for monitoring the climate. RYOBI 18-volt 1+ HP water transfer pump. The RYOBI 18 volts 1+ HP water transfer pump is a powerful tool for transferring water from one location to another. With its brushless motor and HP technology, it delivers an impressive 10 GPM with a 54 head height and 17 lift height. The 3-mode timer and automatic shutdown sensor ensure optimal performance and longevity. The pump also features 3-speed variable GPM for delicate or heavy-duty tasks and a metal housing with a water-resistant battery enclosure for durability. The mountable base plate makes storage and use easy and convenient. Grizzly D30325 Bear Grip A-frame 3/4 pipe clamped. The Grizzly Bear Grip A-frame 3/4-inch pipe clamp provides a stable base and clearance for your hand when tightening for easy glue-ups. The 4-plate clutch allows for easy adjustment and prevents slipping under high pressure. Standard 3/4-inch threaded black pipe, available in various lengths, is used for wide clamping needs. The T30325 comes with a 1-year warranty to guarantee it's free from factory defects. WEICON Cable Stripper. The WEICON Cable Stripper 4-28H allows for precise, fast, and safe stripping of round cables with a diameter between 4 and 28 millimeters. It features a non-slip handle with an ergonomic shape and a continuously adjustable cutting depth to prevent damage to the inner conductor. The self-rotating cutting blade, integrated into the housing, automatically adjusts from circular to longitudinal cutting. Additionally, the 4-28H has a hook blade with a safety cap for protection. Kärcher Roller Brush 500. The Kärcher Roller Brush 500 is a hydraulic drive for rotating roller brushes, designed for use with professional high-pressure cleaners. The drive features an integrated spray bar and a quick change system for easy switching between brush attachments of different hardnesses. The drive can be mounted directly on a spray lance or telescopic lance and is suitable for cleaning various surfaces such as solar power installations, glass, facades, and patios. The brushes automatically face upwards during facade cleaning to reduce user effort, and a splash guard and vario joint are available as options. SBV Magnifying Glass. The SBV Magnifying Glass is a handy tool for anyone who needs to read small text or see details in low-light situations. It features a non-distorting optical-grade glass lens that is highly resistant to scratches and dirt, ensuring a clear and sharp view every time. The TPR frame protects the lens from dropping and accidental damage. The built-in LED light provides bright and clear illumination, making it easy to see text or details in any lighting conditions. The tool comes with 3% LR44 batteries, so you can start using it right away. Whether you're trying to read a VIN number, a part number, or any other small text, the SBV Magnifying Glass is a reliable and convenient tool that will make your life easier. KNIPEX 50PD50 Pipe Cutter Cuts. The KNIPEX 50PD50 pipe cutter is a versatile tool that can cut and chamfer all common domestic plastic drain pipes up to 50 mm in diameter. It features a reversible, high-quality ball-bearing steel blade that provides a clean cut without the need for readjusting or deburring, reducing the potential for blockages or damage to seals. The tool can also cut high-temperature and other plastic pipes with wall thicknesses up to 2.4 mm, and its slide-bearing and self-adjusting guide rollers ensure optimal cutting. The blade is spring-loaded, and the clear view of the cutting point makes positioning easy. The durable housing is made of glass fiber reinforced plastic, and the blade is easily replaceable without tools. OEMTOOLS Air Tool Holder. The OEMTOOLS 23120 Air Tool Holder is a powerful magnet tool holder that keeps your pneumatic wrench or power tool within reach by attaching to any ferrous surface. It features 4 pegs at the top to hold 1/2 drive or smaller impact sockets, and 2 air hooks at the bottom to hold air hoses, ratchets, tire gauges, or other air wrench accessories. The holder provides a convenient and organized way to access tools, reducing the need to bend down and pick them up repeatedly, making it ideal for use in automotive tire shops or home garages. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.